OK Energy is located in the beautiful city of Changsha, Hunan. We are specialized in the research and development, manufacturing, and sales of oxyhydrogen generators. OK Energy introduced the advanced HHO technology from Australia in 2008, researched and developed the Chinese characteristic of industrial oxyhydrogen generators. We have experienced mechanical and technical support engineers in the field of new energy oxyhydrogen industry and MBA postgraduate management personnel. There are complete production line of power supply, integrated electrolytic cell, wire collection, and machine assemble, machine testing to provide the superior quality products and satisfied services for customers. The first set of oxyhydrogen carbon cleaning machine, CCS 1500, came out in 2009. After that, we upgrade 7 core technology, such as wireless engine detection, PLC microcomputer control panel system, and OK cloud system. It is the innovative technology that make OK Energy rapid development. The good face is equal to the quality. The quality is equal to the market. OK Energy are ready for any challenges to achieve the dream of energy saving and environmental protection.
Hello, this is our exhibition room. Here we show our oxyhydrogen generators and accessories. You can send us samples, materials, our technician handling, and provide customized solutions upon your demand. We will also take videos including motion tips, working tips, and model recommendation for your better understanding. Thank you.